welcome! Weird or fake? 15 animals you won't believe exist. Blobfish floats passively in deep-sea environments, waiting for food to drift into its mouth. Blobfish resembles humans. Uses its long, thin middle finger to tap on trees, locate insects, and scoop them out like a spoon for feeding. Strange. Sloth. Guys, do you know only poops once a week, climbing down from trees to do so, which puts it at significant risk from predators. Pink fairy armadillo digs through sand at incredible speed, creating swirls as it moves, making it look like it's swimming through the desert. So weird, they seem unreal. Friends you won't believe. Giraffe weevil. Males use their long necks to fight rivals by striking and pushing during battles for mating rights. Do you know about pistol shrimp? Live symbiotically with goby fish, which act as sentinels while the shrimp digs burrows for shared living spaces. Like and subscribe. Star-nosed mole uses its star-shaped nose, which contains over 25,000 sensory receptors, to detect and eat prey in under 0.5 seconds. Leafy sea dragon. Guys mimics the movements of seaweed by swaying and dancing with ocean currents to avoid predators. Wow! Animals so weird, they seem unreal. This is Sega antelope. Migrates more than 1,000 miles annually, forming massive herds that move together in perfect synchronization. Next, wombat. Wombat blocks predators from entering its burrow by using its tough, bony rear as a shield to protect itself. Strange animals you've never heard of. Okapi. Communicates with other okapis using infrasonic call sounds too low for humans to detect to stay hidden in dense forests. Friends and other strangest creature is axolotl. Axolotl possesses extraordinary regenerative abilities, allowing it to regrow limbs, parts of its heart, and even sections of its brain. Sendakalugo glides up to 200 feet between trees, using a skin membrane stretched from its neck to its tail, while tightly holding its baby. Interesting. Have you ever heard of a vampire bird? It is vampire finch. Vampire finch pecks at larger birds like boobies to drink their blood, surviving on this unusual diet without significantly harming the host. Yeti crab waves its hairy claws near hydrothermal vents, cultivating bacteria, which it then consumes as a primary food source.